Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So we are reaching the end of this project. So here we are adding some couple of details like Leela, Dheeraj and Deva. Like this we are adding some couple of friends. And here I am adding Leela $2,000. So he has paid the bill. Now we need to share the bill between these three guys. So here if you try to see in our components, so we are able to see that the state has been divided. Now when I click on this particular person, I need to show the details to that person. So I need to show the details means when I click on this one, so for whom he needs to pay the bill. So for whom he is due, we need to show those all details. So those all details are present in the bill details. Here you will be able to see the bill details. So now let's try to create a new component and we'll show all those details. So here I am creating a component that is nothing but bill details.js file. And here I am doing export default function, and here we'll be having a bill details. Okay, so this is our component, and here we need to rate default. Fine. And now here I will be returning due bill details. Okay, so this is the component. Now this component we need to use it in the app.js. So here we need to use it app bill details. So this is the component we need to use it. And this build details component we need to show it whenever the user clicks on this one. So here, so build details is not defined. Okay, let's go here and let's import this build details also. Build details, yeah. Now if you try to see here, what happened? Build details is not defined. Still it is showing build details is not defined. What could be the issue? Here I have used it as export default function. And here also in the app.js build details is there, and everything is fine according to me, and webpack is also running fine, and yeah, now it's working fine, right? So maybe, yeah, here we are showing the build details. Nice, right? So here we are showing the build details. Now when I click on this particular friend, I need to show that friend's build details, everything friend details I need to show it. So that means whenever we click on the friend, so that is nothing but in the friends list. So whenever we click on this particular friend, we need to show that guy's all build details. So that means here we need to have on click is equal to, so here what I will try to do is, okay, on friend selected. Okay, so we need to pass this particular friend. Fine. And here I will be having a function on friend selected. Okay, and here we will get a particular friend, and I need to pass that friend to here, So that means in the app.js, we need to maintain another state variable, that is constant selected friend. So we will be having selected friend, and here set selected friend is equal to use state of empty. So first time the friend is not selected. So when the selected friend is there, then only we need to show these build details. So that means here we can have the selected friend ampersand, then only we need to show these build details. Fine, right? So this one is done. So selected friend is there, where we set selected friend. Now here function friend on friend selected. So this is the method which we need to call, and we will get the friend details also. Okay, friend, and here I will add the friend. And in this one I will do set selected friend of that friend. So I am setting that friend. That's it. So this one I need to send it to the friends list. So where is this friends list? Yeah, here I need to send it. So here selected friend is equal to so this is the method we need to call. So here we are getting this one, right? And in the friends list we need to add it here, selected friend. Okay, so this is a selected friend we need to add, and here I need to call on friend selected. I need to call the selected friend of, I need to send this friend details. That's it. So now most probably everything is working fine. What is this error is coming? We are getting some error. I don't know. Expected token in the friends list. I don't know what is that error. Okay, what could be this error? Nothing is there. So everything is working fine according to me. Is happening here. On click is equal to, so we are calling this one fine. Everything is working fine. Here is also nice. And you, and here, okay, we haven't closed this one, so that is the reason. So fine. Now let's go into here. Now we have added those all the friend details. So here we are not showing at first the friend details, and here I am adding some couple of friends here. So here I am adding some couple of friends, and now when I select this friend, and he has given $1,000. Now when I click on this Dheeraj, so here we need to show the bill details of this Dheeraj. So for which friends he needs to share he need to give the amount. So for that one, what we need to do is, so bill details we are getting in, right? Now here we need to send that selected friend details to that guy. So here bill details we are having, here friend is equal to selected friend. I am sending those all details to this guy. So that's it. Now bill details, we got the friend details, okay, friend, and here bill details that should be given by friend.name, okay, friend.name, and here, so let's say this could be something like h3. I want to maintain this one as h3, and let's loop over each bill details what this guy has to pay. UL, and here this could be an LI, and what I want to do is I need to loop over the friend dot bill details dot map of bill, each bill I am getting, and this LI should be inside this one. So LI, and here I will be looping over each one. So here bill dot name, otherwise you need to pay amount, bill dot price to this guy. So hopefully like this, and here I can have key is equal to so bill dot friend ID. Okay, we will have it like this. Let's see whether the spelling mistake or anything. So here we are able to see the details, right? Now if I refresh this page, now let's assume that we have three friends like Leela and Dheeraj and Avanish. Like this we are having some friends, and I am clicking on these all things, and Leela has paid $1,000 to a restaurant. Okay, so it has been added. Now if I click on the Leela, so Leela should there is nothing amount due for any of his friend for Leela. If I click on the Dheeraj, already Leela has paid a $1,000 bill in the restaurant, so that means Dheeraj has to pay, that 1000 should be divided by 3, so that means it will be 333 or something like that. So here Dheeraj, you need to pay 333 to Leela, fine, and here Avanish also has to pay 333 to Leela. Suddenly, so for example, let's say that Dheeraj has paid a $1,000 bill again. Now if I click on Leela, now Leela has to pay Dheeraj 333, and Dheeraj has to pay like this, and Avanish has to pay for both of them, Leela and Dheeraj. Why? Because both of them has spent $1,000 in a restaurant. Now Avanish hasn't spent anything, so he needs to pay each amount to Leela and Dheeraj. So this is how we have splitted the bill between the friends. Now new friend came. Okay, new friend came into the list. Now this guy doesn't has to pay anything. Now immediately what I want to say is, so Dheeraj has paid the amount. Okay, again. So now Leela has to pay 583 to Dheeraj. So triple it has been happened. And Dheeraj has to pay like this, and here also like this. And now this time Dheeraj, Deva has to pay only 250. So previous amount, the Deva is not there. Now he has been joined. So like this we can split. This is a simple example which the amount can be shared between the two friends, between the friends. So if you are going for a trip or anything, so if some peoples are there, couple of peoples are there, which the amount should be shared between the friends means. So you can have like this simple application so that you can able to understand it very easily. So this is the guys about the simple project what we have developed it using the concepts what we have learned. So now next onwards we'll try to learn some more concepts and we'll do the projects on that one. Hope you understood about this one. So what I will try to do is I will commit this all the code in a new branch. So that is video-38 and here let's commit this all the code. So here bill show details or something like this. So I am committing this all the code. Whoever may be having doubts or anything, so they can refer to this code. So that's not a problem. So the link is provided in the description below of the GitHub repository URL. So whatever the video you are watching, you can go to that particular branch of that video and you can watch and you can refer the code. So that's it guys about this project. So hope you understood about this friends bill sharing project. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.